Okay, now we are going to see the third presentation. It's about Tamil Nadu power outages, summer power outages. Unscheduled power outages occur due to damage done on electrical apparatus by storm, lightning and switching over voltages, and breakdown due to aging operating stresses. And repair on each type of fault may take any fixing time hours to days. TNEB identified asset and maintenance management as one of the core modules of its operation. Grid switching to transfer load results in unscheduled outages for periods 5 minutes to about 15 minutes. Apparatus fail due to degradation with time, electrical, mechanical and thermal stresses. You can see the bottom some 2 or 3 slides on that failure mechanisms. TNEB followed periodic maintenance after analyzing the failures, and that resulted in scheduled outages from 5 hours to 8 hours per month to filter transformer oil or cable oil and clean the different insulating materials used in the total system. Tamil Nadu local residents didn't like that, and now they are moving to breakdown maintenance, by which once that 11 kV distribution unit breaks down and they easily replace. It's possible because of the high inventory available running to about 3 lakhs in TNEB. The second slide shows about Tamil Nadu high voltage AC grids and national 765 kV grid. As all of us we know, Tamil Nadu EB is formed only in 1957 and it has grown, as shown at the top, into 400, 230, 110, 66, 33, 12, 11 kV grids to receive the energy and distribute it to the consumers. The number of substations, main substations running to 1554, and the transformers mainly used are something like 3307, and the age of the transformers starts from something installed around 1965. Now let us look into the layout. 765 grid is the national grid installed very recently with 4 substations, and it's reduced to 400 kV with about 11 transformers to transmit about 14,500 MVA, and the year is 2015, and the MVA capacity of each of the transformer is 1500 MVA, so big, all imported with online condition monitoring technique to identify any coming faults. And it's connected to 400 kV grid and 230 grid, which are the smart part of TNEB grid control system managed by 110 superintendent engineers to distribute the load. 400 200 kV grid has substations around 24, and it gets reduced to 230 kV and 110 kV for further distribution and energy handshake. Number of transformers running to 14 and 8, and the MEA transported on that bus is only 6010. The A installed, the oldest transformer is somewhere around 1984, and the MEA rating is around 315 on 230 kV side and 200 MEA on 110 kV side. And the next part is the 230 kV bus bar running to about 103 substations, and it reduces the voltage to 110 and 33 kV for distribution without any grid control. The number of transformers running to 197 in 110 kV side and 33 kV side about 22. The transported MEA capacity is around 20,140, because here only the generators make a major handshake. And the oldest transformer installed is somewhere around 1963, and the MEA capacity of the transformer is somewhere around 100 MEA. And from the grid control, we are moving into the side without any grid control, which is mainly for 110 kV, 66 kV, 33 kV, 22 kV and 11 kV. With the number of substations 807, 23, 593 and 11 kV side pole mounted 11 kV to 440 volts transformers, substations. And 110 kV is reduced to 66 and 33, 22 and 11 kV for further distribution. The number of transformers are shown below, and the MEA capacity is fairly high, because that's the major path to divert the required 17,000 MEA, and its capacity is around 33,751 MEA. The oldest transformer is installed something around 1955, and the rating varies from 50 MEA to 1 MEA. And 66 kV is transport only about 464 MEA, and 33 kV transports about 8,807 MEA. The 22 kV bus is mainly intended for industrial uses, and 11 kV 400 volts pole mounted transformers running to about 3 lakhs are the final reaching point of customers demanding about 70,000 MEA. The oldest transformer in that is somewhere installed around 1951. The two right-hand slides show the typical grid system used in overseas. In summary, the national 765 kV grid can pump in about 14,500 MEA, and 400 kV can transmit 6,010 MEA. 230 kV grid can transmit 20,140 MEA. 110 kV not under grid control can transmit about 33,751 MEA. And distribution maximum demand requirement is something around 17,000 MEA. We come to the summary and the conclusion part of this presentation. As all of us we know, the power outage depends on the energy availability in grids with customer demand. healthy operation of generation, transmission and distribution apparatus, and switching off certain regions by grid control to reduce the consumer demand depending on energy availability. In summer, Hydel Energy 2322 megawatt is normally switched off. Unscheduled outages occur in almost all parts of Tamil Nadu every day, leaving capital city Chennai. Electrical energy transfer is done by grid control transformers numbering around 241 by 110 superintendent engineers in Tamil Nadu Electricity Board Asset Core Group. Healthy status of oil fill apparatus installed from 1963 is monitored by conditional parameters and the loading rate is controlled by them. Unscheduled outages affect food processing, industrial automated production lines, traffic control, hospitals, internet ATM money withdrawal, and e-learning, and the different applications of electricity. But also it can induce electrical surges to damage connected units due to inductive loads. Generated solar and wind energy don't get transferred during outages due to the missing of the reference grid voltage. Grid control substation conditional data may lead to remaining life protection of different apparatus, and the revenue can be made if power IT sector comes up with failure and life predictors with the conditional parameters. To conclude, we are moving slowly to smart grid, can be seen on the right hand top slide, and smart metering the next slide below, with the extra high voltage DC grid and digital online condition monitoring assist techniques. They are all on the way to make our life quality much better. Thank you.